video of Cardi B and her lovely daughter Culture. So Cardi B detangling Culture's hair today as we get to have a lovely Cardi B detangling Culture's hair. Comments already flooding in. Cardi's mom, Juicy, definitely helped. Others are like snapped her back to a very loving. Culture got the good looks that run in family. Culture too pretty. Cardi got a head full of hair, so pretty. Keep focused, girl. Take care of your babies and get ready for your tour. So definitely, Cardi is getting Culture's hair all detangling as it is festival season.